Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser waterline coupler in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Now open both doors, along with the water filter cover. Pull the toe kick plate free. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the dispenser waterline retainer from the frame. Next, unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. You can now release the dispenser water supply line from under the drain pan for easier access to the waterline coupler. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the locking clips, securing the water supply lines to the coupler. You can use a 7/16" wrench to help depress the retaining rings to release the supply lines from the old coupler. Be prepared for some water to spill. Install the new dispenser waterline coupler by inserting the water supply lines into each end until they are fully seated. Insert the locking clips to secure. Secure the waterline retainer to the frame with the screw. Returning to the rear of the appliance, position the water supply line under the drain pan. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Reinstall the toe kick plate by aligning the clips on the plate with the brackets attached to the refrigerator frame. Then snap the plate into place. Close the water filter cover. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.